Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And we are doing another break of Wheels of Vengeance Marble Heroclix from Singapore. And this will probably be our last break for Wheels of Vengeance because we are flying back to the Philippines tomorrow, Larry and myself. So, as always, let me share my screen. Okay. And share this one, not that one, this one. Okay, so we have our participants, 10 participants for break number 3. Jasper, Larry, Heinz, Onin, Taldir, and 5 times Legna, KL. Okay, so as always, slots 1 to 5 will be the back of the break, left to right. Then front of the break, slots 6 to 10 uh, for the break. Okay, so just a quick background. We opened a bunch of bricks here in Singapore. The last couple of cases were almost the same. A lot of exactly the same chases, Sleipnir and Spider Knight. Okay, and then Larry, before he went to work, he bought another brick from that store, and he was able to pull Cap Wolf, finally a different chase. And so we decided to get the other half of that particular case. So hopefully it will be a different and a more exciting, I guess. Save the best for last. That's our motto for this particular break. Okay? Sige. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay? So on a rainy Saturday here in Singapore, let's see how many times we will roll the dice. We're gonna roll it 7. Okay? So we just came back from a tournament. So I'm a bit tired. Okay, so let's randomize it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, and 7. Okay, so this is the order. Legna at number 1, Jasper, Onin, Legna, Heinz, Taldir, Legna, and Larry. Okay, so as always, uh, please stay because we're also going to raffle off the legacy card after the break. Sige. So without further ado, let me put it on the side, open it, and let's jump into it. Sorry, we don't have dual camera because Larry is out. Okay. I want to get Wolverine, as you can see here, as mentioned by Oni. Okay. We're trying to uh, materialize Wolverine if ever. Or I just wish we get a Prime. We haven't gotten a Prime yet in all, I think 6 or 7 bricks we opened. We haven't gotten a Prime. So the Prime seem to be harder to get than the chases and super rares. Okay, so we're here now. Number 1 is Legna. Legna, this is you.
Yep.
Okay, so this is your set. This is
Mm-hmm.
his set. Okay, so I hope you get something good. Let's see.
Hope so.
We get. Ooh, I see something good. You get the super rare Ghost Rider on a chain.
The what?
The
Is
super
that?
rare, super rare Ghost Rider.
Oh, okay, nice. Johnny Blaze.
Nice. Johnny Blaze, Ghost Rider, Frenchie, Robbie Reyes, and Werewolf by Night. So
Yes,
the best,
worth it.
the best scope. Okay, and
Mm-hmm.
also powerful. I fought against it earlier. Really powerful. Let me take a picture because Larry's not here.
Now I have two Ghost Riders, Johnny Blaze, SR. Awesome.
That's uh that's good to trade or sell.
Correct.
Okay. Number 2 is Jasper. Yours truly. Number 2. Let's see what we have. Okay, I'll try to preserve and bring home a lot of boxes. Okay, let's see.
Good luck with that, Jess.
Okay, let's see who we got. Ooh, I see a
Wolverine.
super rare. I see a super rare. Zadkiel. Ooh, I think this brick is different.
Yep.
We have a Zadkiel. We have and a Hell Cycle.
Awesome. He'll
Okay,
cycle.
so different brick. That's a good sign.
Mm-hmm.
I think this is a Wolverine brick.
Whoever got it, auto sell or what? Or keep.
Okay, I will contact you if whoever gets it. If I can afford because I have already bought a lot. Number three
It's
is
true.
Onin. Onin, this is for you. Middle row, middle of the back row. Okay, let's see. We have the set seems to be heavy on the back. All the super rares are in the back.
Hmm. At least.
Okay, this one, oh, something you already have. You have a Moon Knight again. Uh,
Me?
Onin. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but the
Something for trade.
yeah, something for trade, but the sculpt is really amazing on that Moon Knight.
Yeah.
You cannot
And
beat
if
it.
you have the OP Moon Knight, I think he's really good as well.
Yeah, yeah. You need the OP Moon Knight to maximize that character.
Yep. And it's undying if you kill one.
Yeah. The next one is Legna, number 4. 4, 5, and 6 are yours. Okay.
Yep.
4. Okay, so let's
Vet
see.
Chase is on the last part.
I hope you get it.
And yet, no one else pulls a glow pack.
Let's see. Number 4 is another super rare, Phantom Rider.
Eh, at least Curtis Slade. Awesome.
Yeah. Did you pull it before?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, so something for trade or sell perhaps?
For
Okay.
Cebu. At least I
For
have
Cebu.
more
Yeah,
for
yeah,
Cebu.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
That's why you're getting a lot. You're selling it to Cebu peeps.
Yep.
Okay, so number 5 is KL again.
Yep.
Okay, so we already had 3 super rares.
3.
All at, all at the back.
Yeah.
All at the back. See, it's really back heavy this set. KL, this is yours.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, KL, you got it.
Really?
You got it. The surfer.
Yes!
You got it. You got it, KL.
Yeah! Yeah!
Robbie Reyes Surfer.
Oh yeah!
So it's a different chase. Good job. Worth
Yep!
it. It's
Worth
worth
it!
it. Okay. It's heavy. This one, it's so heavy, oh. Ano ba?
Agreed.
Okay. Celebrate. Now you can celebrate.
Yep.
Okay. The Robbie Reyes what do we call it? Ghost Rider
Ghost
Surfer.
Rider. Yep.
Ghost
Ghost Rider
Rider
Surfer.
Surfer for the win. Wow.
Worth, worth it!
Okay. So you got two chases and one chase and two super rares. Worth it. Okay.
Mhm.
Number 6 is still KL. Okay.
Mm,
Okay. Talagang the stars align for you, KL, for this set. I
it's
hope I
time
have the
to.
same luck. I hope I have the same luck for the X-Men set. This is Legna. This one.
Liz. Yep.
Rare. Oh, this. Who's this?
Ghost Rider Future, and then hang on.
What?
What's the color? What's the color symbol? Gold or green?
Is it gold?
If it's gold, then yeah, that's Alejandro.
No, I think it's rare. I think it's rare.
Here? Oh, okay. Then you catch. Yeah,
Then you
silver. If
catch.
it's silver, then you catch.
Yeah, yeah. So you know the riders more than me.
Hello, I'm a
I
Ghost Rider
know,
fan.
I know, I know, I know. Okay, so booster number 7 is Heinz. Heinz, this is for you. Mm, let's see. We have, oh, another one. The same. The same rider, Ghost Rider.
Okay. At
The
least.
same, but together with more Dread, Ghost Robbie Reyes, and Blackout. Same. That I think it's at least it's a rare rather than an uncommon. Okay, number 8 is Taldir. Taldir, this is the middle of the brick, middle front. Okay, let's see what you have. It's back heavy. Ooh, Taldir, I like this. You have the Prime. Finally, we pulled the Prime. Prime,
At least.
Damon
Damon
Maelstrom.
Hellstrom.
Hellstrom.
Prime.
Mhm.
Prime. Okay, the first Prime out of all our unboxings. And you have Electra
Rider.
Was
Yeah.
Electra.
Rider. Okay, so good, good, good.
Oh,
The only Prime
Frenchie.
in the Philippines.
Bawi.
Only
Bawi, Bawi.
Prime in the Philippines, right? I think it's the
Hmm.
only Prime. We haven't gotten any.
And
Mm.
the first one who pulled the Ghost Rider Surfer, his cost a lot.
This is ano. Okay, Legna, this is your last booster.
Yep.
Okay, what else do you need?
Doctor Voodoo.
Dr. Voodoo. Okay, let's
Yeah.
see if it's possible to get 4 SRs.
I don't think so.
Okay. Oh, it's just Ghost Rider,
And Zeratos.
Zaratos.
Oh, Ghost Rider sets.
Ghost Rider, except for
Yep.
Elsa.
Yep.
Okay, Elsa from Frozen.
Almost there. A little bit more to get glow pack.
Okay, and the last one is Larry. We did not get any glow pack in this break.
Larry gets the glow pack, I guess.
Larry, let's see if you get a glow pack. Did we get a glow pack in all our breaks?
No.
I don't think
No.
so.
No,
No,
we
there's
don't.
no glow pack. No, not a glow pack also. This is Orb.
Orb again.
Larry
And yeah.
get an Orb, Werewolf, and then Guard and Manwolf.
Yep.
There's no black heart in this particular brick break. Okay,
Yeah.
so but don't leave yet. We have our
Raffle.
raffle for the legacy
Legacy.
card. Okay, so let me share my screen once again.
I hope
Let's
it's
see.
Daredevil.
Oo. I am looking for that. So let's see how many we roll for that, Anna. Okay, why is it already 6 anyway? Let me roll again.
Hmm.
7. Okay. So this should be 14 times, and whoever is number 1 would get the legacy card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, whoever will
Last
be number
one.
1, Legna.
Okay, let's
Okay.
see if it's the
It's
two-hand
good to
kid.
get a lot of slots. That's the moral story. Moral of the story.
True that.
Like Kennard. Okay, let's see. Who is
Yeah,
your legacy? Who do you want?
Daredevil.
Daredevil. Okay, so we
Yeah.
give you Jennifer Kale.
Hey, that's Carlo.
Oh,
Yay,
oh,
Carlo.
this is also good. This is also good actually. I was looking at
Yep.
this one. Okay, so KL gets the Jennifer Kale legacy card. So again, thank you very much, everyone. I will wrap it up now because again, I plan to pack up because tomorrow is the flight. So if you have trade, sales, whatnot, okay, please coordinate and then PM it to me directly. Hopefully by Monday, as early as Monday, I can start shipping the items for you guys. So thank you very much, guys. See you soon in the Philippines.
Thanks, Jazz.
Bye
Ingat.
bye.
Yes.